Hello everyone. Yesterday we have discussed about the ductility and malleability. Today we will discuss furthermore in that topic. So first of all, let us see the stress strain curve for a mild steel. Yesterday I have told you how to draw a mild steel curve. Suppose this is the stress strain curve, and I have told you this curve is like this. Here it gets fractured. Okay, so now, this point up till which the material is showing its elasticity, this region is the elastic strain. This point, this is known as elastic strain, and from here to here till fracture, this strain is known as post elastic strain. Okay, so if there is a question that comes in the competitive exams, you can, if you are preparing for SSC, if the post elastic strain, you can see if post elastic strain is greater than 5%, that means if it is greater than 5%, that means this region will be more. So in that case the material will be ductile, and if the post elastic strain is less than 5%, then the material is brittle. So you have to learn this point. So next is the point comes the brittleness. So what is brittleness? Brittleness, you can say that it is a lack of ductility. हमने डक्टिलिटी की बात कही थी कि हमारा मटेरियल इंडिकेशन शो करेगा बिफोर फेलियर, तो कितना हमारा मटेरियल डिफॉर्म हो रहा है बिफोर फ्रैक्चर, दैट इज द मेजर ऑफ द डक्टिलिटी. बट लैक ऑफ डक्टिलिटी इज नोन एज ब्रिटल. ब्रिटल मटेरियल सडनली फेल्स हो जाता है. अगर वो सडनली फेल होगा तो उसका स्ट्रेस स्ट्रेन कर्व कैसा बनेगा? स्ट्रेस, दिस इज स्ट्रेन, so here it will go and it get fractured. Suddenly क्या होगा? Fracture. So this is the stress strain curve for a brittle material, and you can see here that brittle material are strongest in compression, then in shear, then in tension. So if you are designing any structure with a brittle material, you have to see that the material should not fail by tension, because it is weakest in tension, whereas the ductile material was weakest in shear. So brittle material is strongest in compression, moderate in shear, and weakest in tension. So the material is called brittle if post elastic strain is less than 5%. This point we have already discussed. In concrete, tensile strength is 8 to 14% of its compressive strength. Okay, when we are talking about concrete, so tensile strength is 8 to 14% of its compressive strength. Tungsten is brittle at room temperature and ductile at elevated temperature. So tungsten ऐसा मटेरियल है जिसकी रूम टेम्परेचर पे हो तो ब्रिटल बिहेव करता है, अगर उसको टेम्परेचर राइज करते हैं तो दैट बिकम्स डक्टाइल. So you can see that by decreasing the temperature, transition of ductile material into brittle, अगर ductile material का टेम्परेचर कम किया जाए तो क्या होगा? ductile से क्या होगा? brittle बन जाएगा. So by sufficiently large pressure can bring brittle material to ductile material. अगर large pressure provide किया जाए brittle material को, then it will convert to ductile material. Pressure should be hydrostatic compression. Okay. At low temperature, rate of loading affect the transition from ductile to brittle. So low temperature पे rate of loading affect करता है transition of the material from ductile to the brittle. So these are the certain points you must remember. Now this is the point here, that suppose this is the question in which this is the फ्रैक्चर्ड स्ट्रेन. फ्रैक्चर्ड स्ट्रेन यहाँ पर है, इस केस में फ्रैक्चर्ड स्ट्रेन यहाँ पर. सो फर्स्ट दिस इज द मटेरियल, सेकंड दिस इज द मटेरियल. सो यहाँ पर हमारा ये वाला रीजन क्या है, ये ज्यादा ये वाले का रीजन, इस मटेरियल का रीजन ज्यादा है एज कंपेयर टू दिस. सिंस fractured strain of 1 is greater than fractured strain of 2, hence the elastic strain of 1 is greater than the second material. Elastic strain क्या होगा, elastic strain of 1 is greater than the second one. It is more ductile. अब अगर आपको ये स्ट्रेस स्ट्रेन कर्व अगर आपको ब्रिटल मटेरियल का दिया है और आपको पूछा गया इन दोनों में से ज्यादा डक्टाइल कौन है, तो इसमें से आप कैसे बताएंगे कि ज्यादा डक्टाइल कौन है, जिसका फ्रैक्चर्ड स्ट्रेन ज्यादा होगा, क्योंकि ये ज्यादा स्ट्रेन लेगा फ्रैक्चर होने के लिए, तो ये ज्यादा डक्टाइल हुआ एज कंपेयर टू दिस. देयरफॉर फ्रैक्चर्ड स्ट्रेन इसका ज्यादा है, सो इट इज मोर डक्टाइल. सो ये ऐसा क्वेश्चन भी आ सकते हैं. ओके, अब आपको ये क्वेश्चन दिया गया कि इस केस में दो मटेरियल सेम है, इसका स्ट्रेस स्ट्रेन कर्व है ये, और ये यहाँ पर जाके अल्टीमेट स्ट्रेंथ इसकी है, ये यहाँ पे जाके फेल हो जाता है, ये यहाँ पे आके फेल हो जाता है. तो अब आपको पूछा है विच इज मोर ब्रिटल. मोर ब्रिटल कौन है, जो जल्दी टूट जाए. अब देखिए जल्दी कौन सा टूट गया, ये जल्दी टूट गया. सो सिग्मा u1 is greater than sigma u2, therefore it is more brittle. So this type of question may come in the competitive exam also for 1 marks. So I hope these points are clear, that what is a brittle material and how this material behaves and how you will doing the numerical based on such concepts. Okay, such as brittle material और ductile material के ऊपर अगर कोई क्वेश्चन आता है ग्राफिकल क्वेश्चन, तो अब आप I hope you guys can do this. So for today this much is sufficient. I hope you guys are making proper notes. So thank you very much.